Okay, right now I want to show you how you can um make or create your own YouTube banner. Understand? I placed a link to all the essential apps you guys are supposed to understand download for this course. I placed all the link in the class. So right now you see we have this here. I placed a link for this app known as Canva. So go and download this app known as Canva. We'll be using this app to create our own YouTube banner. Understand? The banner we're going to use to customize and optimize our YouTube channel. I also placed a link for you on how to download this up here, this YouTube app. This is the main YouTube app. I placed a link for it, and also a link to the YouTube, that is the YT studio, and lots of links you guys supposed to download that will help you facilitate and understand what I'm going to be teaching you in the class. Okay, so right now let's dive into it. Let's click on Canva. Right now when you click on Canva, I have signed up into my own Canva. I've signed up into my own Canva app. But for beginners, when you just download this newly, understand, when you go to your what is it called? When you go to your app store, when you go to app store and you download it, you just go to store, you type, okay, we'll have it up here, Canva. You just click on it, you download it. Right now I have it here, so you just have to download it, then you open it. So when you open it, they'll tell you to sign up either with your email, that is your Gmail, or your Facebook. Anyone you choose to sign up with is safe. Either you choose to use your Gmail or your Facebook. So if you use your Gmail, it is safe. If you use your Facebook, it is safe, but mostly I advise use your Gmail. Understand? Why I advise you to use your Gmail, so that all documents can be saved on your Gmail, so that when you, maybe God forbid bad thing, your phone is being stolen, or you lost your phone, or you don't have access to your phone and you want to log into somebody's phone to copy a particular document or a particular photo work which you have done on Canva, you can just log your email into somebody's phone and copy it. If you are not with your phone, you can just copy it and do your work wherever you are. So that is why I advise you should use the Gmail part of it. So that's it. So right now on the upper part here, this search bar here, we'll just click on it, then we'll type YouTube. We'll be typing YouTube banner. Okay, search. So you type YouTube banner, then we search. Right now you see that Canva has the easiest way of making banners, be it YouTube banners, Facebook profile, Facebook coverage, and YouTube thumbnail, anything at all in the whole wide world you need. Canva have the easiest access to it, whereby you have edited templates that you can click on and re-edit them, both in photos and in text. You can re-edit them and save. So right now we want to make a good banner for ourselves right here. So let's check which one we should use. Before you come over to this place to do such stuffs, you should know what your channel is all about. Yeah. So right now let's click on this one here. Let's use this one. Let's try to know how far. Let's use this one. So it's loading. Network is so bad. Oh, network. Okay, wait, let's wait. Network is so bad. What is happening? The weather is so bad. Okay, good one. It have opened up. Okay, right now, as you can see everything here, you can edit every single thing here. But because of this particular class, for this video not to be too long, I will not be editing the colors and everything. I'll just leave the colors the way they are. But I will just edit the text. Understand? So you click on the text you want to edit, and you click on this place. If you click on the text, then you click on this place, they say this edit. Click on edit. So right now I click on edit. So I can edit this right now. So I wipe everything off. I've wiped everything off. So right now I want to edit it. You understand? I want to edit it. So I want to edit it in a capital letter. So I will say YouTube YouTubers. Let me use it. YouTubers uh, YouTubers course. Let us leave it this way. I'm just doing this for this class. So YouTubers course, let's take it this way. YouTubers course, you see right now it's here. I can also decide to change the color. Look at it. I'll click on this age sign here, and I can change the color to yellow. I can change it to any color I wish. I can change it to this, but I think yellow is okay. I'll change it to yellow. This one, I think this one is okay, so I'll use yellow. Then I can change the size. That is the front. I can change the front to make it bold. You understand? I can still change the front, so I like it this way. So I can also make it bold. Understand? I choose this. You see it right now, it's very bold. You can also extend, and so you see it right now, I've extended it, so you can still make it look bold. So okay, so I think then you click on this, you draft it. So when you just draft it, you start preparing your design. So right now, after preparing your design, that means you are good to go. So this, you can use Canva to edit this stuff. Understand? You can still change this picture here. If you want to remove the picture, you can remove the picture. You can still change the color of the background. You understand? You can still change the color of the background. You can still change the picture. So right now, it's saved already. It's already saved. So that is how you save your thumbnail. You can just save it straight. So that is it. Thank you.